Welcome to this training video. Today I will show you the product price settings of the digital sales assistant and what is important to know there. As soon as I have successfully logged in to the DSA, I am on the homepage of the digital sales assistant. If I have admin rights, I see a cogwheel icon in the toolbar at the top right. If we click on it, a drop-down list appears where we select the Product Prices tab. We are now in the product price settings. Here I can see an overview of the different product categories, such as built-in appliances or standalone appliances. I can now set any price factor for each category. As an example, I have selected a price factor of 1.5 for each category. Depending on the price factor, all prices of the products, so the list net price from the respective category, are calculated accordingly. This new price is the sales price. More detailed information can be found in the info box here. Below the price factors, we find a button that decides whether the selling price may exceed the RRP or not. We can either activate or deactivate this button. You can also select the price basis for the calculation. You can choose either the purchase price according to invoice or the purchase price according to the list. We can also control the inheritance of product prices using this button. This means that the price factors set by us, the associated price calculation, and all settings made are passed on to the subsidiaries and adopted there. If, in the event of an inheritance, an admin of the subsidiary wants to override the price settings of the parent company, they must also activate this button in the price settings of the subsidiary so that their own settings override the settings of the parent company. This makes it possible for subsidiaries within an inheritance structure to carry out their own price calculations. We have now selected all the settings and click on the Save button at the bottom right to save our changes. Once all changes have been saved, we can perform a manual import one time per day using the Start Import button. It is important to note that this import can take several minutes. However, the respective import status is displayed to the right so that you can see exactly when the import has been successfully completed. In addition to the Set Price Factors tab, we can also import product prices, comments, or core assortments manually. In order to obtain the correct format of the CSV file to be imported, there is the option of downloading a current overview for each import. The Export button can be found in the selected categories. If you click on it, you can download the CSV file and obtain the correct format of the selected import. Further products can now be added to the downloaded CSV. If you then upload the new file here in this field, the import will start. The principle remains the same for all import options, only the format of the CSV file changes. Further down in the product price settings, we see an overview in which the product prices per device can be edited manually. Here you can choose between different variants, such as products with manual adjusted prices. As an example, we have a product here for which I have set the manual price of 999 euros. You can see by the red arrow to the right of the price field that I have set this price manually. If I clicked on this red arrow, I could undo the manual adjusted price again. You can also use the text field right next to it to enter comments for the selected products and mark it as a core assortment here with this checkbox. Once I am happy with my changes, I can save them with the Save button. Now we can see that we can also find this product in the core assortment tab. We can also filter by our comment. You can also use the search field to search specifically for individual products and reset all adjusted prices at once using this red button. A current list can be downloaded at any time using the export button right next to it. I have already showed you this button earlier. This was the training video of the product price settings. I hope you enjoyed it and that it helps you to set up your own digital sales assistant.